Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault device streams. A device stream in Commvault is a logical data channel used by a media agent to write data to storage media during backup, restore, or aux copy operations. It represents the path through which data is written to or read from storage devices. Device streams are the final stage in the data movement process, where data, after being read and processed, is divided into chunks and written to the target storage, such as disk or tape. The maximum number of concurrent streams that can run in an environment is based on the number of streams MediaAgent is configured to accept, the number of streams a library accepts, and the number of storage policy device streams configured. The Commvault software always uses the lowest stream value throughout the data movement process. Setting more device streams than available resources provides no benefit. To configure the right amount of device streams, you need to know how it is set at various levels. Let's discuss them one by one. Subclient level. On the subclient properties you define number of data readers. By default, each data stream writes to a device stream. Here you define storage policy as well. Storage policy level. Storage policy data streams are logical channels that connect client data to the media, where data that is secured by backup operations are stored. For a storage policy, the number of device streams that is configured must be equal to the number of drives, or writers of all libraries that are defined in the storage policy copy. No benefit is gained if the number of device streams is greater than the total number of the available resources. MediaAgent level. You can set the maximum number of concurrent read-write operations on the MediaAgent by the maximum number of parallel data transfer operations setting. This value controls the maximum number of data streams that can be managed by the MediaAgent. Disk library level. For disk library, the number of device streams is based on the total number of mount path writers for all mount paths in a library. For example, if you have a disk library with 2 mount paths that have 5 writers each, a total of 10 device streams can be written to the library. When you increase the number of mount path writers, more job streams can be written to device streams. Tape library level. For tape libraries, one sequential write operation can be performed to each drive. If there are 4 drives in a library, then no more than 4 device streams are used. Key points about device streams. Each device stream represents a single, concurrent write operation to a storage device, for example, a tape drive, or a disk mount path writer. The number of device streams determines how many jobs can write to the storage media in parallel. For disk libraries, the number of device streams is based on the total number of mount path writers. For tape libraries, the number of device streams is typically equal to the number of available tape drives, unless multiplexing is enabled. We will discuss multiplexing in a different video. The maximum number of concurrent device streams is controlled by settings at the MediaAgent, storage policy, and library levels. The lowest configured value among these determines the actual concurrency. Let's discuss some known issues. It requires careful planning to match streams with available resources, like drives or writers, to avoid bottlenecks. Potential for errors. Misconfiguration can lead to errors such as all device streams configured to this storage policy, including their multiplexing factor, are in use, causing jobs to wait or fail. Jobs waiting. If all device streams are in use, new jobs will wait until a stream becomes available. This is a common cause of backup delays. Configuration mismatch. Setting more device streams than available drives or writers provides no benefit and can cause confusion. Resource allocation errors. Errors in Job Manager logs, related to resource allocation, often trace back to device stream limits. We will end this video here. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.